Some of the general properties of reflexes are they require adequate stimulus. The stimulus that produces reflex is very precise, as the receptors respond maximally only when an appropriate specific stimulus is applied. It is called as adequate stimulus for the particular reflex. Final common pathway. The alpha motor neurons that innervate the extrafusal muscles are the final common pathway over which the neural control system coordinates the activity of skeletal muscle fibers. It serves both as an integrating center and efferent pathway. Central excitatory and inhibitory status. The spinal cord shows prolonged changes in the excitability because of activity in reverberating circuits or prolonged effects of synaptic mediators. The prolonged state in which the excitatory influence exceeds inhibitory influence is called central excitatory state, and conversely, it is inhibitory state dominates, it is called as central inhibitory state. For example, after complete transaction of the spinal cord, when reflex movements return, a mild noxious stimulus on the lower limb may cause withdrawal reflex, and autonomic changes like urination, defecation, sweating, and fluctuation in the blood pressure, which is referred to as mass reflex, which occurs because of the central excitatory state in the spinal cord. Habituation and sensitization of reflex responses. Though the reflexes are fixed, they can still be modified by experience. If the stimulus is benign and repeated at frequent intervals, the response declines and disappears. This phenomena is called as habituation. It is due to the synaptic fatigue, which is due to the exhaustion of the chemical transmitter, as its synthesis is not rapid as its release. The decrease in the release of neurotransmitter can also occur due to the gradual inactivation of calcium channels at presynaptic terminal. This decreases the intracellular calcium and the release of